distance, that is O to D. So you have taken this, substitute OC. O to C is nothing but the radius of the circle, hence it is substituted as R. And then CD, that is C to D, it is a ordinate, mid-ordinate, that is represented by the O into 0, that is O naught. Okay, 0 O naught, that is ordinate at a distance 0, that is at the middle, that is substituted here, plus OD. So finally you will get OD as R minus O naught, that is O at the base 0. Now you substitute the value of OD1, D1, OD, that is this value, DT1. DT1 is nothing but the L by 2 because it is half of the long chord, so it is L by 2. So substitute all the values in this equation 1. So when you substitute, you will get, this is OT1 is nothing but it is radius, so it is given as R square. DT1 is half of your long chord, so it is L by 2. OD is the distance which you found out, so that you are going to substitute. You take this R minus O0 the whole square into LHS and entire part into RHS. So finally you want to find out here O into at the base 0. So you take this square, and when square comes this side, it becomes square root. So finally you will get the O0 value as R minus square root of R square minus L by 2 the whole square. And this is very important for the problems. See, O naught is nothing but the distance from C to D, that is a mid-ordinate O at the base 0. This, in the problem, if they have not given this distance, then you need to find out with the help of this formula. So this is very important. So now if we want to calculate the ordinate OX to any point P, draw a line PC dash parallel to the long chord T1, T2, that is, so you have found out one distance, but I have shown you while explaining the field procedure, I have told you that some more ordinates will be found out, that is OX1, OX2, OX3, OX4. That ordinates, that is OX, that ordinates will be found out by using this procedure. Say, if we want to calculate the ordinate OX to any point P, that is, if you want to calculate the point OX to any point P on the circle at the distance X, you